Hi, sixth graders. For science today, your job is to read through these facts, which we'll read through together quick, and then solve this challenge. So, each image represents fossils found in 3 different rock layers. So this is one image, this is another image, this is another image. Here's your 4th image and your 5th image. Each of them shows the fossils. So we have the creodont, Myakkus, and the saber-toothed cat. Each image is from a different region, which means they're from a different place. So that means this one could be from somewhere in California. This one might be somewhere in Montana. They're all from different places. If rock layers from a different region, so if a rock layer from here contains the same fossil as a rock layer here, that means they're the same age. Your challenge on the next slide is to drag and drop the rock layers from oldest to youngest. And as I can remember from our last 2 weeks of science, the oldest layer should always be on the bottom, while the youngest layer is on the top. So when I'm thinking through this, I need to think about what patterns I see between the different places. So I'm able to see here, this one has the purple and the blue one, and it follows that same order of purple on the underneath, the blue. I see that also happening here, purple and then blue. But I can see there's an orange one here below the purple. That means the orange one is a little bit older than the purple one. Now, after the blue one here is done, I don't know what comes next, so I have to use the other images to see what comes next. So I can see that when the blue ends here and here, it goes up to this greenish color, greenish brown color. So, looking through these different patterns, I can see that there's a lot of things that repeat in different areas. The only ones that don't is the creodont, the orange, and the coral, the yellow. But I can see right underneath the coral, the yellow here, it goes gray and then green. So I'm able to see that this coral must be our youngest since it's sitting on top of all the other colors that I have that repeat in the other boxes. And after the coral, I can see is this woolly mammoth, which is gray. So I know that has to come next. Now you have to keep looking at all the different areas to figure out the pattern to get your youngest down to your oldest. There should only be one of each color in our final drag and drop. Good luck.